Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify UTM links for marketing attribution step by step clearly. To verify UTM links for marketing attribution, start by creating your UTM parameters. Use Google's campaign URL builder to generate your UTM links. Ensure you fill in the necessary fields like source, medium, campaign, term, and content. Copy the generated URL to use in your marketing efforts. Next, send a test email or publish a test post that includes your UTM link. Click on the link from the test email or post to verify it directs to the correct landing page. Once on the landing page, check the URL in the browser's address bar. Look for the UTM parameters appended at the end of the URL. Open Google Analytics and navigate to the acquisition section. Select campaigns to view the traffic coming from your UTM links. Verify that the data appears under the correct campaign name you created. Check metrics like sessions, users, and bounce rate to confirm correct attribution. If data is present, your UTM link is functioning correctly. If no data appears, revisit your UTM link for accuracy. Ensure there are no typos in the parameters. Test the link again after correcting any issues. Monitor the campaign performance over time for ongoing verification. This process helps ensure your marketing efforts are accurately tracked and attributed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.